Hi! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the white twister. The kitten prepares a 1 meter long imitation rabbit fur twisting stick. Leave a distance that is about longer than the middle finger. If you are not sure about the baby, you can directly measure with a ruler about 11 厘米, and then you fold it. Then put it on our index finger and circle it twice. On the first lap, let's make it a little looser. It's the mouth part. The mouth should bulge out a little more than the forehead. Then the second lap is tighter. Twist the long button stick and the short button stick to fix it. Then it turned its face towards us. Lift the long button stick and go through these 2 holes. Be its ears. Because it's a kitten, so the ears can be a little longer, but not too long. Otherwise, you will become a rabbit. Continue to do it after pinching the left ear. The same goes for the right ear. Lift the long neck rod and go through the 2 holes. Just keep it the same length as the left ear. Let's do the bridge of his nose and forehead. Lift up the long neck stick. Go around the back of your head. Then from the middle of the first and second laps. That is, the hole between the forehead and the mouth goes through. So the kitten has bridge of the nose. This place needs to be tightened. Then push your mouth up. Adjust the shape. Be sure to tighten. I'll start doing the body later. Twist the long and short torsion rods around and fix them. Then come back and give it a right leg to break out. This length depends on the feeling every time. In fact, as long as it looks pleasing to the eye. Every time you break a leg, you have to give it a pinch. Squeeze tighter. And then another left front leg. Both sides must be kept the same length. Lift long twist stick. Then go around the vertical axis in the middle. This is the length of his body. Then we just go ahead and do it. The right hind leg is as long as the front leg. Same with the left hind leg. Lift up the remaining twist stick. Wrap from the front of the stomach to the back of the, then wrap it around your neck. After coming down, the rest of the twist stick is stuffed behind its body. Just find a place to hold it in place. It's not over yet. After pinching, there are still many shortcomings. It's going to take a miracle. Keep pinching, then pinch it harder. What about the shape? It looks better. The first forehead of the head. Let's push it up. This will fill up the forehead. Then it will not press the eyes later. Break the kitten's head up. Limbs off. Lift the tail up. Such a standing position. The kitten shape comes out. This step you will find that it is very ugly. No, not a single cat. Then you have to keep pinching. And I pinched it. It's like giving it a bone-setting feeling. Next we'll pick its head with an awl. Without an awl, we can also use pointed scissors instead. Just pick out the pressed fluff. After picking the pressed hair, get another brush. A steel brush or a toothbrush. Make its brush more fluffy. I'm afraid you can't see clearly here. Turned on the flash. Because it takes too long to trim. So I went through it briefly. Sisters who can trim, I can post a separate video later. The main thing is to cut out the shape of the ears. Then trim the mouth into the shape of a kitten's leg. Cut the neck out. Vacancy in the eyes. The space for the eyeballs is also reserved. It's just a comb and cut. Cut off the long hair like this. It won't be easy to mess up. After the repair, put eyeballs and nose on him. Put some more blush on. Install the jewelry and it's done.